Hare Krishna. So now we're going to continue chanting from Bhagavad Gita. So if you can all open Bhagavad Gita on your phones from Vedabase, we're going to be chanting chapter number 12. And we're going to be chanting the Sanskrit together, but we're going to do a call and response on the English translation. So if you can get Vedabase chapter 12 on your phones. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, we have created this space so that more people can fit in at the back. So Prabhuji, especially Prabhuji, if you can all move forward. Mataji's also. We can create space for the guests who will be coming. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, we are reading from chapter 12 Bhagavad Gita, devotional service. Arjuna Uvacha Evam Satata Yuktaye Bhavyatama. Arjuna inquired, which are considered to be more perfect? Those who are always properly engaged in your devotional service? Or those who worship the impersonal Brahman, the unmanifested? Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Maya Veshe Mano Yemam Nitya Yukta Upasate Shraddha Karayo Petas Temam Yukta Tamamataha. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, those who fix their minds on my personal form are always engaged in worshipping me with great and transcendental faith, are considered by me to be most perfect. Ye tvam akshara nirnesham avyaktam parivasate sarvatra kama chintyam cha buddhastham achalam dhruvam sarannimyanya gramam sarvatra samabhuddhaya te prapnuvanti mameva sarvabhutarite rataha. But those who fully worship the unmanifested, that which lies beyond the perception of senses, the all-pervading, inconceivable, unchanging, fixed and immovable, the impersonal conception of the absolute truth, the controlling by the various senses, and being equally disposed to everyone. Such persons engaged in the welfare of all, at last achieve me. Kleshodhikara sartesham avyakta sakta chetasam avyakta higatir dukham dehati bharipapyate. For those whose minds are attached to the unmanifested, Supreme.
Impersonal feature of the Supreme.
Advancement is very troublesome.
Advancement is very troublesome.
To make progress
To make progress
in that discipline
in that discipline
is always difficult
is always difficult
for those
for those
who are embodied.
who are embodied.
ये तु सर्वाणि कर्माणि मयि सन्न्यस्य मत्परः अनन्येनयोगेन मायायन्ता उपासते तेषामहं समर्थता मृत्यु संसारसागरात् भवामि न चिरात् मया by those
But those
who worship me,
who worship me,
giving all their activities
giving up all their activities
unto me,
unto me,
and being devoted to me
and being devoted to me
without deviation,
without deviation,
engaged in devotional service,
engaged in devotion,
and always meditating upon me,
and always meditating upon me,
having fixed their minds
having fixed their mind
upon me,
upon me,
O son of Pritha.
O son of Pritha.
For them
For them,
I am the swift deliverer
I am the swift deliverer
from the ocean of birth and death.
from the ocean of birth and death.
मयेव मन आधस्व मयि बुद्धिं निवेशय नैव शिष्यसि मय्येव अत ऊर्ध्वं न संशयः. Just fix your mind
Just fix your mind
upon me,
upon me,
the Supreme Personality of Godhead,
the Supreme Personality of Godhead,
and engage all
and engage all
your intelligence in me.
your intelligence in me.
Thus you will
Thus you will
live in me,
live in me,
always without a doubt.
always without a doubt.
अथ चित्तं समाधातुं न शक्नोषि मयि स्थिरम् अभ्यासयोगेन ततो मामिच्छान्तुं धनञ्जय. My dear Arjun,
My dear Arjun,
a winner of wealth,
winner of wealth,
if you cannot fix your mind
you cannot fix your mind
upon me without deviation,
upon me without deviation,
then follow the regulative principles
then follow the regulating principles
of Bhakti Yoga.
of Bhakti Yoga.
In this way,
In this way,
develop a desire to attain me.
develop a desire to attain me.
अभ्यासेन समर्थोऽसि
मत्कर्मा परमो भव, मदर्थम् अपि कर्माणि कुर्वन् सिद्धिमवाप्स्यसि.
If you cannot practice
If you cannot practice
the regulations of Bhakti Yoga,
the regulations of Bhakti
then
Yoga,
just try
then just try
to work for me.
to work for me,
Because by working
because by working
for me, you will come to the perfect stage.
you will come to the perfect stage.
अथ तेऽन्यासक्तोऽसि
कर्तुं मद्योगमाश्रितः सर्वकर्मफलत्यागं तथा कुरु यथात्मवान्.
If, however,
If, however,
you are unable to work
you are unable to work
in this consciousness
in this
of
consciousness
me,
of me,
then try to act,
then try to act,
giving up all results
giving up all results
of your work
of your work
and try to be self-situated.
and try to be self-situated.
श्रेयो हि ज्ञानमभ्यासः ज्ञानानन्दविशेषणे ध्यानकर्मफलात्यागस्त्यागश्च निरन्तरम्. If you cannot take
If you cannot take
to this practice,
to this practice,
then engage yourself
then engage yourself
in the cultivation of knowledge.
in the cultivation of knowledge.
Better than the knowledge,
Better than the knowledge,
however,
however,
is meditation.
is meditation,
And better than the meditation
and better than the meditation
is renunciation
is renunciation
of the fruits of action.
of the fruits of action.
By such renunciation,
By such renunciation,
one can attain peace of mind.
one can attain peace of mind.
Advaishta sarva
one who is not envious,
but is a kind friend
but is a kind friend
to all living entities,
to all living entities,
who does not think
who does not think
himself as a proprietor
himself as a proprietor
and is free from false ego,
and is free from false ego,
one who is equal
one who is equal
in both happiness and distress,
in both happiness and distress,
who is tolerant,
who is tolerant,
always satisfied,
always satisfied,
self-controlled,
self-controlled,
and engaged
and engaged
in devotional service
in devotional
with
service
determination,
with determination,
his mind
his mind
and intelligence
and intelligence
fixed on me.
fixed on me.
Such devotee of mine
Such devotee of mine
is very dear to me.
is very dear to me.
Yasmano dvijate loko, lokano dvijate jaya, harsham harshvato hoke kar, mukto yajasme priya. He by whom
He by whom
no one is put into difficulty,
no one is put into difficulty,
and one who is
and one who is
not disturbed by anyone,
not disturbed by anyone,
who is equipoised
who is equipoised
in happiness and distress,
in happiness and distress,
fear and anxiety,
fear and anxiety,
is very dear to me.
is very dear to me.
Anapeksha shuchir daksha, udasino gatayanaha, sarvarvana parityagi, yomar bhakta same priyaha. My devotee,
From all things
and not striving
and not striving
from some result,
from some result
is very dear to me.
is very dear to me.
Yo na hashyati na deshti, na shochati na kashati, shubha shubha parityagi, bhakti madhya same priyaha. One who is neither rejoices nor grieves, who neither laments nor desires, and who renounces both auspicious and inauspicious things. Such devotee
Such devotee
is very dear to me.
very dear to me.
Sama shatru ja mitre ja tatha manavamanayo sitoshna suradukeshu sama sangha vivarjitaha tulya nindastutir moli santushto yena yena chit aniketa sthiramate bhakti mante one
One
who is equal
who is equal
to friends and enemies,
to friends and enemies,
who is equipoised
who is equipoised
in honor and dishonor,
in honor and dishonor,
rich and cold,
heat and cold,
happiness and distress,
happiness and distress,
fame and infamy,
fame and unfame,
who is always
who is always
free from contaminating
free from contaminating
association,
association,
always silent,
always silent,
and is satisfied
and is satisfied
with anything,
with anything,
one who doesn't
one who doesn't
care for any residence,
care for any residence,
who is fixed in
who is fixed in
knowledge,
knowledge,
and who is engaged
and who is engaged
in devotional service.
in devotional service.
Such a person is very dear to me.
Such a person is very dear to me.
Ye tu dharmamritam idam yatavamtam vasate shraddhanamana parama bhaktaste me priyaha. Those who follow this imperishable path
Follow this imperishable path
of devotional service
of devotional service
and who
and who
completely engage
completely engage
themselves with faith,
themselves with faith,
making me
making me
the supreme goal,
the supreme goal,
are very, very dear to me.
are very, very dear to me.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama
it's one of the events where we have always mixed emotions while we are mourning the loss of our dear Sri Ram Vijay Prabhu. But also we understand that because of his spiritual practices throughout his life, he is engaged now by Srila Prabhupada in some other service as my spiritual master, and his spiritual master mentioned to him on a phone call that Krishna is waiting with his arms open and he's directing you to your newer service and newer residence. Before Lakshmi begins the final rendition of the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, I just wanted to read something from Sri Namamrita, where all of us can know, but that we understand the meaning and we chant like that. This is coming from Sri Padma Purana and is quoted in Sri Namamrita. The holy name of Krishna is transcendently blissful. It bestows all. The holy name is Krishna himself, complete, and it is the form of all transcendental mellows. It is not a material name under any condition, and it is no less powerful than Krishna. There is no question of its being involved with Maya, illusion. It is never conditioned by the laws of material nature. This is because the name of Krishna and Krishna himself are identical. The great 17th century Vaishnava poet Narottam Das Thakur writes, he says, Golokela Premadhana Harinama Sankirtana. The transcendental sound of the holy name of the Lord has its origin in the spiritual world. So what we are singing is not coming from here. The origin is in the spiritual world. Golokela Premadhana Harinama Sankirtana. Being the sound incarnation of the Lord, therefore the holy name is not an ordinary material sound. It is divine, transcendental. But the divine nature of the holy name remains forever a mystery to those whose approach is merely empiric or intellectual. In discussing the theology of the holy name with an assembly of scholars, Srila Haridas Thakur is Nam Acharya. He is our Nam Acharya. The great teacher of the name asserted, one cannot understand the glories of the holy name merely by logic and argument. The holy name is understood and experienced only by those who embrace the process of chanting with humility, faith and devotion. So when we chant today with Lakshmi, please give your heart. Please give everything what you have in your heart. We have to directly embrace the process of chanting with humility, faith and devotion. A sound transmitted from afar can be heard when received by an appropriate electronic device. So transcendent spiritual sound can be properly heard and assimilated by one equipped with the proper means to receive it, Bhagavad Prem, love of Godhead. So for us to chant nicely also we need the love of Godhead, but also when we chant we can actually get love of Godhead. So can I request everyone to please